Hey, welcome to the channel. Here's what we have done so far. Now, all it really needs is a rocket engine and it should be operational. However, what I really want is a better parachute launching mechanism. Well, let's create that. Here's what I did first.
Let's start with creating a test model. This design relies on a 9-gram servo converting its rotational energy into linear energy, pushing the disposable half of the capsule off the rocket. I designed this simple lock to disengage the part after it had been pushed far enough. Once the part had left the rocket, the parachute bay is exposed, causing the components of the bay to be sucked out. Now that we have the launching mechanism, we now need a better sized parachute, as the current one is very undersized given the size and weight of the rocket. Luckily for me, I have a girlfriend who owns a business that specializes in fabric designs like this. As you can see, the parachute turned out looking very nice. For the final step before launch, I need to test the parachute to make sure it works. For the most part, the test worked. Now the only thing left to do is to create a new nose cone piece and the launching cartridge, both really simple to make. Thank you all for watching. In this next video, if all goes according to plan, I'll be launching this rocket. Stay tuned.